Oh, hello. I'm going to show you how to change the cells. I got the alarm when I was trying to charge this battery, so I've dismantled it. There's another video showing that on the YouTube, and I obviously now have changed cells as well. So what you do is you gauge the voltage on the different cell package. These two is gauged here now, and here you get the next two. And when I was doing this before I changed the cells, I got a reading of 0 here. So I took a knife and cut here. Be careful not to short here and here. You can use a plier I took away this. There's a lock here that you need to cut off, like this one. And I did the same here with a knife. Cut away. Cut. No need to be careful here because this is metal and only negative. And I changed it. Then you can slide them out, just bending this away. You can take out the cells out this way. Put it back together. Use this grinding paper and grind. Nice. And you use this. This is soldering water in German. And you use this and a soldering iron. And refit it. These batteries is called 18650, and I found these in an old laptop battery for free. The laptop was gone, so easy fix. Thank you.